All right, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot in TTL first. So I'm going to bring this down to TTL, shoot with the flash. We're going to get a couple shots going on here and see how this turns out. This is a test shot. See that flash go off, guys. All right, it actually did pretty well. So definitely going to be shooting with this TTL this whole entire time because I think it's going to work out just well. And we're just going to go ahead and knock this out right now. I think I am officially ready because I did like that shot, even though I don't think you'll like that shot. All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What I am going to do is I'm going to have to actually get out of TTL because I'm not getting enough power right now. So I'm going to go ahead, and the one thing about doing like about this, I can actually hit the switch on the side right here. Bam. I'm out of TTL, and now I could be in 100% control of my flash, which I need to be simply because I'm not hitting her with enough flash. And again, the sun is still kind of out, so it's not obviously going to overpower the flash. I'm just looking for that little pop to give me that flash. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let me look at that now. Yeah, see, that's a lot better, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and raise that flash up just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hold that right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Liking them so far, guys. Again, this is only a 76 watt light, so you're not going to get the most out of it. So you really just gotta, be good. As you can see, the light again, it's still kind of daylight. This is going to be some struggle to overpower it, but it is going to give us that little pop of light that we're looking for, which is all I'm kind of looking for at this particular moment. Just enough. All right, I like that pose. Hold that pose just like that. Yeah, hold that pose just like that. Look right at me now. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. I'll shoot a little lower now. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I like that pose right there, yeah. It's gonna work out. Yep, that works. 1, 2, 3. Check this out real quick. Yeah, it works. It's working. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
There you go. Yeah, go ahead and work out. Good job. Yep, I like that. Yep, I like that a lot. Yeah. Good job. Let's kind of have you on this side right here, Danielle. Let's see what we can get from you right there. Yeah, just like that, yeah. See what we can get for you right there. Hang on, the car just got my way one more time. Yeah. Yep. On between here and use, I try to probably use this, we could probably use this wall right here, actually. I think that'll work out pretty well. Just kind of like post it in from the side of it, yeah. I think that'll work out pretty well. Let's see. No, it didn't work out as well as I thought. All right, guys, so I'm gonna flip this back to TTL because I think it was gonna work out a little bit better. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah, keep it going. Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna get a full body on this one. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, see, I'm liking this a lot better now. I like the angle here. I like our background. He's a solid, especially with that red Doberman framing right behind it. It's working out perfectly. Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. You gotta like that. Look down. Look back down. Yeah. I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, I just don't like it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Come my way. Right there, right there. Just come around that way. Yeah. Let me see here. Trying to figure out a way. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's really perfect. Turn more to the side so I can get more of your, yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah, just look out like that, yeah. Yeah, it's actually really perfect. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Now, kind of sit back on the side like we did that one time. Sit on it, sit on that post.
On this one?
Yeah. Just turn to the side though. Yeah, sit on just like that like we did before, yeah. Yeah, just like, yeah, look down just like that. Perfect. Hold that. Look down just like that. Yeah, just hold that right there. Yeah, it's perfect. Actually, hold that. Just give me a second. I got to frame this up right. Yeah, then look at me. Yeah. Hang on. I got to frame this right. Yeah. Then look out that way. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. There it is, right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, just perfect, man. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Daniela and I just put in for you. Now, Daniela, how'd you enjoy the shoot?
I really love the view. Like,
you like the view?
The dogs
nice
and
view.
like, it's just so pretty and so like peaceful. So I
It is peaceful. It's security free.
Yeah.
Well, pretty much everything in Lexington is security free, guys. It's like very rarely when I do shoots that I'm like worried about security coming like saying something to us. Not shooting. This is I guess the perks of living in a mid city population like this, like Lexington, guys. But anyway, today I did shoot again with the 50, which is way over there somewhere right now, and with the Neewer Z2R Pro flash, on-camera flash. So this kind of worked out for that, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed the picture, and of course, I hope y'all enjoyed Daniela coming back on the channel again. Are you going to keep on coming back?
Of course, anytime that you invite me.
Oh, so anytime I ask you to shoot, you always going to shoot. Is that?
That's it.
Hey, guys. hey, y'all know the game, guys.
See, that was so much fun. How can I say no?
A lot of models have said this, okay? They be good for the first 4 shoots, but then after that 4th, 5th one, when that 5th one, it starts dwindling down. I don't know. Yes, they'll tell you yeah, then they won't show up, and they'll do this. And are you gonna be?
All right, let's do something.
Uh-oh.
I'll promise you in
right,
front of them that I will not be one of those.
Oh, hold on, guys. You heard it here first. I still don't believe it, but you heard it here first, guys. You just know how it goes, man. You know how it goes. Ain't nothing wrong with that, them doing that, but it is what it is. And of course, if y'all want to put all that stuff's gonna be in the description box below. Of course, what'll pop on the screen. Bye freaking now. Until the next video, Daniel.
Until the next video.
Guys, until the next video, man. Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Peace, guys. Peace. We're out. Peace, man. Peace.